In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications from Pocket AI trading app. If you are receiving a lot of notifications from this app and you want to put a permanent end to this, then follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you need to go to your app and just long press on it to access its app info page. So I'll just go here, long press on the app, and as you can see, we have our app info page here. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear like this, but it should be around here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Pocket AI trading app info page. So it's here that we can disable notifications permanently. Now head to permissions, and under permissions, look for this option for notifications. As you can see, if I tap on this, all notifications are turned on. To disable all of them at once, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive notifications or alerts from Pocket AI trading app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable Pocket AI trading app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.